Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. And this video is going to be a little bit maybe for a new planner. It's how to use your iPad as a digital planner, as a planner. So I'm going to go over the ins and outs on how to use an iPad as a planner. Give you some tips and tricks and things like that. If you're new here, my name is Brandi Reed, and I am with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital planners and digital stickers for Christian women. If this is something that you're interested in, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a single video, and hit that like button so this really helps my channel. Thank you so much. Now let's talk about digital planning on an iPad. All right, so how do you use an iPad as a planner? So the first thing you obviously need is an iPad. And you would need an Apple Pencil or a stylus or something like that. You're going to also need an app called GoodNotes, Note Shelf. Those are just two of the ones. The most common one that is used with an iPad is GoodNotes, I'm sorry. So we're going to go ahead and open up GoodNotes. So you're also going to need a planner. Now, most shops, digital planning shops, have a planner, a paid planner, and then a lot of them have a free planner for you to try, my shop included. So I'm just going to give you a few tips and tricks on how to use this. The main thing that you need to make sure is when you upload a planner into your iPad, if you're using GoodNotes, right over here, you have this little circle with a pen through it. And when it's like this, that means that your hyperlinks work. So you're able to touch different things on your screen and it makes your planner work. Now, if you want to be able to write with your planner, because that's basically one of the main things that you want to do when you're digital planning, you want to make sure that this is like this and that your toolbar has popped up. So you have a pen, an eraser, a highlighter, a lasso tool. This is your elements collection, your photos, and your text. Okay, so let's just worry about the pen tool first. So you can take 2 fingers and zoom in. So that way you can, when you're writing with GoodNotes, you really want to zoom in a little bit, and that will help you write a little nicer. So you just be able to write. Now, if you wrote something that you didn't exactly like, you could come over to your eraser and just erase whatever you want to erase. Or if there's just a little part that you want to fix, you can come over here to your arrow button, and that's going to move things back and forth. You also have the option to use a text. Now, say you don't like the way your handwriting is. I'm personally one of those. For me, a planner piece with digital planning is not writing with my planner that way. Tap here and then write. And that helps me because I don't like my handwriting in general. So for planner piece for me, I needed to be able to write like that. So you can use your lasso tool. That was the lasso tool. Highlight it. You can move things, or you can tap it. You can color it to a different color if you want to use a different pen color, or you can delete. You can use any of those things. This is a daily page in my particular planner, and my planners have scripture, affirmations, prayers for others, self-care, gratitude, meals, water, today's win, and then your habits for your week, your top 3 to do today, and then your to-do, and then your schedule. Again, you want to make sure your pen tool is off. And in this block, you can jump around your planner. Easily move through your planner with the pen tool off. Now, I have several videos on more things that you can learn about digital planning. So we'll link those as well. But the main thing I wanted to show you is it's really easy to use your iPad as a planner. And, oh, the other thing that you may want to get is a screen protector for your planner. Writing right on the glass is really not comfortable. Plus, you want to protect your iPad. So you want to get a matte or a paper-like screen protector, and that will help give you a better glide when you're writing with your Apple Pencil or any stylus for that matter. And so you want to have, again, an iPad, a Apple Pencil or a stylus. You want to have GoodNotes or Note Shelf, and then you're going to need a planner. And like I said earlier, most digital planner creators have a free version. So, myself included, here is a free version. I have the November to December 2021 planner. It looks just like my 22 planner. All of the index works. The index works. This is going to still link to 2023 instead of 2022. Or it's not going to link. It's just showing it. So if you slide down to November and touch November, it's going to give you all of your November. And this is a free download. I'm going to leave it down below so that you can try out my version of my planner. And yeah. So let's go over this real quick for you. So my calendar is a Sunday start, but I have a Sunday week start and a Monday week start all within the planner. So you would touch that and it would take you to the 44th week of the year for Sunday, or you could go to the Monday week for the 44th with a Monday start. Now it's got 3 rectangles here. It's kind of a basic. You get to choose what you want to do. You have your meals, your budget, your habit tracker, and your sermon notes, all linked. This is sermon notes, again, Sunday and Monday weeks, all those boxes. You have your meals, your budget, your habit, your monthly overview, and a notes section. If you're a slider like I am, you have your monthly overview next. You have all of the Sunday week starts, and then it goes into the Monday week starts, and then it starts with our daily pages. So that is that. And again, that's going to be linked below in the section below. So you can download this free November to December to try out learning my style, number 1, but also so you can try out a free planner to use in either GoodNotes or Note Shelf. Now, I will say GoodNotes and Note Shelf, their first few, I'm not sure on Note Shelf, but I know GoodNotes gives you, I think 4 notebooks it is for free before you have to pay. It is a paid app, but it is so worth the paid app. Most people, again, like GoodNotes. Some like Note Shelf. Personally, I like GoodNotes better than Note Shelf for the iPad. Just my personal preference, but try out GoodNotes with the free in my free planner. It won't cost you anything to try it out. I don't remember if Note Shelf has a free offer or not. I'm just going to be honest on that. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I have videos on how to upload planners into GoodNotes. Check those out. Just check out my YouTube channel. It's got lots and lots of information. And I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day.